Have you ever wondered what's really going on inside your body? We're about to uncover 10 shocking and sometimes disgusting secrets about the human body that you probably had no idea about. Get ready, because some of these facts will make you squirm. Stay until the very end. You won't believe number 1. Number 10. Your belly button is a bacterial city. Most of us barely think about our belly buttons, except when cleaning them. But did you know your navel can harbor up to 2,300 species of bacteria? Scientists once discovered bacteria inside belly buttons that had never been recorded before on Earth. The warm, dark, and moist environment makes it the perfect home for bacteria colonies to thrive. In fact, your belly button ecosystem can be so unique that it's like a bacterial fingerprint, different from anyone else's. Next time you absent-mindedly scratch your navel, just remember, you're touching an entire microbial metropolis. Question for the viewers: have you ever cleaned your belly button and found something you weren't expecting? Drop your answers in the comments. Number 9. You shed over 30,000 dead skin cells every minute. Yes, you heard that right. At this very moment, your body is shedding tens of thousands of dead skin cells every single minute. Over the course of a single year, this adds up to about 8 pounds, 3.6 kilograms, of dead skin. Where does it all go? Much of it becomes household dust. So when you're dusting your shelves, a significant portion of what you're wiping away is actually you. The process may sound gross, but it's a natural part of your body's way of renewing itself. Your skin is constantly replacing old cells with fresh ones, which helps keep you healthy and protected. Viewer challenge: if you're watching this in your bedroom, take a look around. That layer of dust you see? Yeah, it's probably part of you. Number 8. Your mouth is dirtier than a toilet seat. Brace yourself. The human mouth is teeming with bacteria. In fact, there are about 700 species of bacteria living in your mouth at any given time. Compare that to your toilet seat, which typically has fewer than 50 species, and you realize how much of a bacterial hotspot your mouth is. This doesn't mean you're doomed. It's all part of your body's ecosystem. Many of these bacteria help you by keeping harmful microbes in check, but it's also why dental hygiene is so important. Without it, harmful bacteria can quickly take over, leading to tooth decay and gum disease. Fun fact: kissing transfers an average of 80 million bacteria between two people. So the next time you kiss someone, remember, it's not just romance, it's a bacterial exchange. Number 7. Your body creates its own natural glue. Inside your intestines lies a slimy layer of mucus that acts like glue, helping trap bacteria and food particles. But it doesn't stop there. Your entire body produces mucus, more than a liter per day. Think about that the next time you blow your nose. That mucus isn't just gross. It's your body's first line of defense against harmful pathogens. It traps viruses and bacteria before they can invade deeper into your system. Viewer engagement. Be honest, do you ever peek at a tissue after you blow your nose? Don't worry, you're not alone. Tell us in the comments. Number 6. Your gut is home to trillions of microbes. If you thought your belly button was a bacterial hotspot, your gut is on another level entirely. There are more bacteria in your intestines than there are human cells in your body. Collectively, they weigh about 2 to 3 pounds, 1.5 kilograms. These microbes aren't freeloaders. They help digest food, produce vitamins, and even influence your mood and brain function. But when the balance is disrupted, it can lead to serious health issues. What's even grosser? Some of these microbes feed on the mucus lining your intestines when you're not eating enough fiber. Yep, they literally nibble on you. Number 5. Your body produces gallons of sweat. Sweat is essential for regulating your temperature, but most people don't realize just how much they produce. On a hot day or during intense exercise, you can sweat up to 1.5 gallons, 5.6 liters. And here's the kicker: sweat itself doesn't smell. The odor comes from bacteria breaking down sweat on your skin. That means your body odor is actually bacterial waste. Tip: next time you hit the gym, remember, it's not the sweat that smells, It's what the bacteria are doing to it. Number 4. Earwax cleans and protects your ears. We often think of earwax as dirty, but it's actually your body's way of keeping your ears healthy. Earwax traps dust, debris, and even insects that might try to crawl into your ear canal. There are 2 main types, wet and dry. Which type you have is determined by your genetics. And here's a gross fact. Earwax is technically a form of sweat. Your ear canals have modified sweat glands that produce it. Viewer engagement. Have you ever used a cotton swab and accidentally pushed earwax deeper? If yes, type guilty in the comments. Number 3. Your body is constantly releasing gas. Whether you like it or not, you fart. On average, a person passes gas 23 times per day. That's normal. It's a byproduct of bacteria breaking down food in your gut. But here's what most people don't know. The gas you release is mostly odorless. The smell comes from small amounts of sulfur-containing compounds. The good news? Passing gas is actually a sign your digestive system is working properly. The bad news? You'll never be able to stop doing it. Number 2. Your bones are alive and constantly rebuilding. We often think of bones as lifeless structures, but they're alive and constantly changing. Every decade, you essentially get a completely new skeleton as your body replaces old bone tissue with fresh cells. Here's a fact that might make you shiver. Bones are full of marrow, where blood cells are produced. This means every second, your body is producing about 2 million new red blood cells, right inside your bones. So while bones might seem hard and unchanging, they're actually one of the busiest organs in your body. Number 1. You are covered in millions of tiny mites. This might be the grossest fact of all. Right now, millions of microscopic mites called demodex are living in your pores, especially on your face. They come out at night to mate, then retreat back into your pores to lay eggs. Don't panic. They're harmless and have been with humans for as long as we've existed. But knowing that tiny creatures are crawling over your face while you sleep is enough to make anyone's skin crawl. Viewer engagement. Did this fact make you shiver? Type yes in the comments if it did. Your body is an incredible machine, but it's also home to some truly gross secrets. Which of these facts shocked you the most? If you made it this far, you're braver than most. Make sure to like this video if you learned something new, and subscribe for more mind-blowing facts about the world around you.